Come on. I want to add on the 2 minutes for value gap. If it moves back, I'm gonna enter. But it looks like it's acting on me now. Oh, come on. Really? Because I saw that. Oh, come on. This is pissing me off now. Cancel order. And then. hmm, Okay, it's gone without me. Yabo! I'll hate to lose this trade, to miss this trade. That's all I can say. I'll hate to miss this trade. So I'll have entered there, but because of my slow computer these days, I couldn't. But let's see. If I get tagged, I'd get tagged. If I don't, I don't. Let's see. I hate what I did there. I'm hoping that will go up and take me in without leaving. But possibilities of it leaving are high. Slow computers. Yeah. I'm executed. I'm in a trade. I'm on a trade. I need to change this alarm. It's crazy. Okay, let's see how it goes. So I'm risking 68 ticks to make 148 ticks with my buffering yeah stream. The 5 minutes favorite gap it's holding. So I'll want that to hold. So either way, I will have entered this trade. Yeah, either way, I'm bearish, man. One of the reason, just broken structure here. So whether you want to enter on a 5 to look for this, that's definitely So I'll need a very good decisive move lower. We are holding 1 minute, 5 minutes fair value gap or 5 minutes support here. So break below, the next support will be this low. Okay. So if the 5 will hold, it's a good thing. We need to still see the 5 minutes holding, yeah. So trading this, okay. So guys, you have to pardon me. The stream will buffer a lot. uh, the stream is about to cut. I'm looking at an upload speed of 1.6. I don't know what's happening. Yo, the stream will cut in between, guys. My internet speed is ridiculously slow. Let me go see what's happening. I'm coming. Okay, my stream will be terrible, guys. My speed is just ridiculously bad. I don't know what's happening, so I'll have to inquire with the service provider because how dare I'm not even getting a 5 megapixels upload. It's running on the low side. Look at this barcoding here. This is literally a barcode. This thing is literally barcoding. This thing is barcoding. I wish to see what's happening on the 1 minute. Look at this barcoding. Sure. Oh, this is a barcode, guys. This is a barcode. Mm. Yes, you're starting to get something. I wish for this 2 minutes to come lower, leave this for value gap here. That would be decent for me to start the risking. Just want to see where this 1 minute close. This two, I mean. Let's see where this 2 minutes closes. If that 2 minutes closes the way I want, I'll move stop to break even. Because 1 minute, uh, 1 minute fair value gap there. So that would be exactly what the 2 minutes will form here. So I don't I'm not gonna move it directly at break even, but I don't expect it to come back all the way down to back to my entry. Break below this low, so we're just gonna literally de-risk decisively. So okay, gonna de-risk to that, just that low, just de-risk to that low. Reason being is I don't see it going all the way up. So I just want to see what happens in that 2 minute. So I'm hoping that 2 minutes holds and then rejects from there. That's basically why I just went for a de-risk. Hope you understand. What's fun, yesterday we caught a similar trade. Exactly similar trade yesterday. S&P 500, I am looking at this here, inside that order blow. If it reaches here, I'm hoping that this will have moved decently to that low. Okay, stop loss at break even. Stop at break even. So I'm risk free now. It's decent today's, to be honest. I'm happy with the break even now. Stop at break even. So I was risking 68 ticks. Currently, we are up 53 ticks with stops at break even. We are reacting in the order block, yeah. So just look at just look at this 5 minutes candle fill, very important. Why am I saying so? It's because we are already at what's the English word for this? We are already at oh Christ. I'm having a brain freeze. Order block 5 minutes order block, yeah. So I just want to see it failing, coming all the way down. However, we could reject from it. That's why my stop is at break even. We still remain that SMT here. We still this kind of weak fills that might happen, but I doubt they will happen. But I'm hoping they happen because when you look at the 15 minutes, looking at the S&P 500, we are we are at a 15 minutes fair value gap here. We are literally inside a major area now. Inside a 5 minutes order block, whether you wanna call it support, whether you wanna call it resistant, and inside also a 15 minutes a 15 minutes order block. I mean fair value gap. So it could hold this as support and flip around. So I think I'm gonna either take a break even or move like my stop loss already at break even. So I don't have any risk on it. So I'm confident in holding through it. So even if you look at the 2 minutes or inside the 2 minutes order block, that's holding as an order block again. Basically, in other words, we are at the 2 minute support, which it has flipped that. Um, it has flipped the 2 minutes support, but we still have this 2 minutes resistant area there. And then I'm still hoping it comes all the way down for a gap fill, for a candle, I mean, a weak fill. If that happens, then I guess we'll take profit. But if not, and then also you have to note what's happening in here. We're inside a 15 minutes fair value gap. Yes, there is a clear SMT here for shorts, and we're inside a 15 minutes fair value gap. Yabo, that's where we are. What the hell? What did I do? So this stupid thing I did today, yeah. What's that? Oh shit. I hate what happened there. Ngiyamthanda. So 1:1 is secured. To be honest, we have already given a 1-1. Remember, as I said, I was risking 68 ticks, and just to make over just about 140 ticks. Basically, that was my trade. So if you want, you can take a 1:1. Yeah, it won't hurt you. It won't hurt you. I can see that different. So pardon me with the clarity of my stream. I had to downgrade a bit of quality because of the stream was a bit bad. So yeah, something stupid happened for me today. You know, one thing about me, I don't like move like this. It gives me anxiety. I'm joking, I just don't like moves like this. It gives me anxiety. If you break below this low, I'm gonna honestly considering it securing a 1:1 and allow the rest to move. I'm gonna explain why. So if it breaks below this, basically, should I call it resistant area? I'm gonna secure 1:1 and let the rest of the move happen on its own. Just close below, secure 1:1, and yeah, allow the rest to move on its own. We just close a 5 now. How did this 5 close? Decent 5 close, yeah? We opened a new 5. So basically we've traded below this low. To be honest, if you want, you could wait for this 5 to close and stop loss there. If, for example, the weak fill doesn't happen. Um, okay, let me just secure 1:1. Yeah, secure the 1:1. Let's see if we get a full week fill. I wonder what you are. Something is happening and I'm happy with it. Gonna explain now. That's support, right? So this will be a 1 minute inversion here. So it will be 2 minutes inversion if it closes below there. So yeah, basically we broken resistant area close below. So we are likely gonna do a full week fill, and then yeah. So look, secured already profit. So I'm just gonna let the rest run. As I said earlier, we've just broken below. Whether you want to call it inversion fair value gap or you want to call it support, we've closed below support, and then so basically we're left with 40 ticks. So after 40 ticks, that will be profit. Full take profit. So far I've secured a 1:1, so I'm just letting the rest run. I just don't want it to come back and react above. Um, basically, basically, and this is already reaching where I was talking about. Um, yeah, yeah, continuation. So about to reach the okay, decent. So to be honest, the trade has already given me enough. One thing when I trade, I hate it's move that goes like you get it. I hate such moves. Like it gives me so much. Sorry, complete the move, buddy. Just complete the move. So I just want to see where this truth closes. I just want you to complete the move, and it might reject because of this area here. So just want you to complete the move, and I call it a day. Come on, complete the move, man. Only after 20 ticks. Come on. Can do this. 10 ticks left. Then I guess this thing will have completed the full move. Okay. Possibility of this coming to take out this low is high because even if this doesn't take this low, Nasdaq possibilities of it taking that low, and then in fact this low is here. So taking this low is high. If Nasdaq can take out that low, and then it will be more like a inverse kind of SMT basic. You go short to look for long possibilities. It would be like a sell side on Nasdaq and on the other side. So um I spoke about this. Basically, there is this. If you're using breakout and retest, or we just broken out that could create a 5 minutes week and reject with a 5 minutes week to come back and to come back to a profit, basically. Um, in a way, if it does that, I'm happy. If it doesn't, then it's another thing. But the market has given enough. So you'll want it to hold that support where it is now and start rejecting back. We got an invasion, yeah. Retest of that invasion of a five. Um, just see. Oh, interesting. Holding a supplier, very dangerous supplier. But I'm hoping it gets to. It does come all the way down to the south side there. Come here. It's giving me 2:2. Okay. Come take out this low, man. Let me take out this low. This is on there. Yeah, you can still get a few lows, yeah. You can still get a low again. So I think if it gives me a low, then that will be my take profit. And still do. I'm coming now. I'm gonna be back now. It looks like it's setting up for a reversal. It looks like it's setting up for a reversal. Uh, we could be setting up for a reversal, so might have to take a 1:1 at the end. But it looks like it's setting up for that move higher. Oh, yep, setting up for that move. If it breaks above 30 coming out, I think we'll be taken out. Yabo. Hmm. Yeah, we are highly likely going to take a 1:1. Yeah, it is invest here. So we are likely going to go higher. Okay, it's just flipped, guys. I'm happy with the 1:1 as well. Just that I hate that you see when the thing miss your what do you call this, a check profit by like about 20 ticks, and then dismal reverses. It's just not nice. But it happens. Sometimes that's what I guess you have to take. Let me say 5. We are likely going to be taken out. I'm not going to sit here and lie to you. Yeah, here we go. Taken out on a 1:1. This is what I was worried about. This gap feed, yeah. Let me see what I'm doing. Yo, I hate this alarm. Need to get a better alarm for my thing. Let's see. Just looking at something, sorry. Mm, okay. Humble, why are you shouting? Why are you shouting? Okay, secure the 1:1 today. Sorry, I'm just checking something. I'm just checking a Fibonacci on this work. What do you call this? Weak failure. I just have a few something that I always like to check. All right, yeah, okay. It is exactly it. Okay. Okay, but otherwise, good trade, guys. Sometimes you don't have to complain so much. I don't know. If it took this low, I was gonna take a long, man. But there is an SMT though. Using that, let me see. But I would have loved for it to take this low, not just hold on to this. Mm, okay. Just watching something, sorry. I don't think there'll be a trade for me, guys. Yeah. I'm gonna sit here and force things. Oh, that's fine. It can still come back, yeah. Just looking at where we're going next, guys. Don't worry. I just want to check something. Hold on now. Stay. Guys, thank you so much. I think I'm gonna call it a day, yeah. I'm gonna call it a day, yeah, guys. Thank you so much. I'm gonna call it a day, yeah. Thank you so much, guys. We'll talk. See you tomorrow.